Alright, and here we are on tune 7. He adjusted the air fuel ratios throughout the entire map, added 2 degrees of timing on the high cam, and redline is now at 8,000. Sweet. Logs are beautiful. So there's my new tune. Go ahead and download this and save it. Then we'll upload it to our Flash Pro. Connect my Flash Pro. There it is. Perfect. And it didn't say anything because I already connected it. So let's go ahead and open the 7 tune. Then we'll upload it. And then we'll throw it onto the car. And we'll do some data logging. He liked those data logs that I gave him. The city driving, the city and highway, and the 3 pools. So we're gonna do the same thing with this base map. Oh damn, I just seen that. It has no v-tec. Oh wait. Wait a minute. Well, this is 7. Oh, that's all the stuff he's done. Anyways, oh, there it is. Tune 7, adjusted fuel, added ignition timing, red line is at 8K. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and load up the tune to the car. There it is. Then we'll wait for it to do its thing. Then we'll start some data logging. Alright, something is happening where I'm loading the first tune and it like stops. So I have to reload it again. I don't know what's up with that, because when I load my base map, I have no issues. It's just the tune by Josh. For some reason, it like stalls on the first time, and then you have to upload it again for it to fully load it. There it is, fully loading. Because you notice that the temperature is off, and that will remain off even though everything's at 0, just like so. So for some reason, that's happening. But their tune is loaded. Start her up. Sweet. So now we'll do some data logging. Alright, and we'll do just some city driving. Let's go ahead and start this data log. Sweet. Alright, I think this is the base map, man. This shit's fucking pulls. Third. Sheesh. Shit works good. I like it. Sorry, my car pulls to the right a little bit. I did my tie rod ends and I could have sworn it pulled a little bit to the right, but it still pulls. I need to get that shit aligned. I hate that shit. I like to let go of the steering wheel, and I like it for it to go straight. But this feels good. It really does. I really like this base map, or this tuned map. And it has natural pops. Sheesh. Alright, and this will conclude our city driving. Sweet. Now we'll do some 3rd gear pulls. Set myself up. Alright, 3 gear. For 3rd gear, 3,000 RPM, data log on. Sweet. Data log off. For those of you that are wondering, I'm driving with my knee. Go ahead and do another one. Set myself up on 3rd gear. Come on, 3,000s. 3,000s RPM reach. Data log on. Cool. That shit hella pulls now. Hella pulls. Alright, third gear, 3000 RPM. Data log on. Come on, data log. Data log on. There's the 3 pulls. Now I just got to do city and highway. All right, I'm on my lunch break right now, and I'm gonna do a little bit of city and highway data logging. I'm gonna go to Taco Bell, and I'm gonna just take the long way. I'm gonna go up Clovis Avenue, jump on the 180, then on the 168, then get off on Ashland. Hopefully that should be long enough. And I'm gonna just do this data log so I can send it to him, and hopefully he sends me the new version before I get off work. That would be dope if he does. I put a little request for my launch control to be set up to 9 miles an hour because that's where I usually have it set to. So I could go 9 miles an hour or slower, clutch in, and hit my gas, and it'll stop myself at my launch control setting, so I'll be able to roll and hit launch control. That's the whole purpose I wanted. He said that he added, you can hear the pops, my injectors, he opened them up at lower RPM so they could give me more pops. He seen my video of how to do the crack and tune, so he's like, I already know how to do that, so I figured you like it. You wanted to do it to your car, so he provided it to the for me on the tune. And he said next time he will do the 9 mile an hour the launch control engagement, so that way I could do rolls and hit my launch control. Sweet. So I'm gonna just drive this and data log. All right, here I am jumping on the freeway, third gear pull. Stop our data log there. Spent about 10 minutes city and highway driving. About to pull up to Taco Bell here. There it is over there. Then I'll go ahead and send this to my tuner, wait for his response with the new one, upload it, and do the process all over again. Alright, I have my laptop plugged in. Go ahead and send him these data logs. I'm gonna actually delete this one here. Messed up on that third pull. There it is. Now we'll save as. Same process. Sorry, I'm eating right now. And I'll go ahead and send that off, and we'll do the same process all over again. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just remember to name these according to so. Like for instance, the first one's city driving, so this one's going to be 01 city driving. Then the ones in the middle are third gear pulls, so I'm going to just label them 1, 02, 03, 04 third gear pull, 1, 2, and 3. Then the fifth one, the city, the city and highway. So this one's going to be the 7th, and then we'll save them into that. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.